This is my before picture. Hey you guys, we decided to try something a little bit different. We wanted to see if the strawberry and baking soda teeth whitening actually really worked. So you take strawberries and you mash them up like this, and then you add some baking soda to it. So this is supposed to be a natural organic teeth whitening. So they say that you can brush it on and just leave it on for 5 minutes, or you can continuously brush it onto your teeth for 5 minutes. Let it sit, and then you're supposed to brush your teeth. It's supposed to do a nice, gentle teeth whitening, free of chemicals. And since wine stains teeth, I decided to try it so we could see if it actually works. We put it to the test. I have a couple of before and after pictures here so you guys can decide for yourself. But I think it worked pretty well. Check it out. Okay, so they say, I got the mixture right here. They say you're supposed to, um, you can either brush it on your teeth for 5 minutes straight. Just keep brushing, 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 and then leave it on there for 5 minutes. Or you can brush it on and just leave it there for 5 minutes. I want to try the brush it on your teeth and leave it there for 5 minutes. I'm nervous this is going to be nasty because it is what it is. But I got the mixture, got a toothbrush to brush it on with. So let's see how this goes. Because, wine stains. Let's see. I saw it. This baking soda, so. Mm-hmm. Wait, how am I supposed to leave this on without swallowing? That's the part they don't tell you. Baking soda is so salty, and it really activates my saliva glands. Excuse me for that, but how the freak am I supposed to get this stuff on my teeth, leave it on without swallowing it, or without spitting it out? They don't tell you that part. They don't tell you that part. Maybe I put too much baking soda. I don't know. They just said make it into a paste. I made it into a paste. Okay, so we're gonna try this again because baking soda is really salty and it activates my saliva glands, and I don't know. When I saw the people do this on YouTube, they just brushed it on and they just sat there for 5 minutes. Like, this is not easy. Oh, maybe I put too much baking soda. Let's see. Okay, let's do it again. So after the trying to brush it on and leave it on was an epic fail, I decided to try to brush it on for the 5 minutes that they say. So I did this. It was not an easy thing to do because, like I said in the video, baking soda activates my saliva glands, so it makes me very juicy mouthed. But so I brushed it on for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna post in my before and after pictures. I really think that it did a decent job. So I was trying to decide whether this was a hack or if it was whack. So I think it was a hack So I think I'll do it maybe once a week for maybe a month until I notice a noticeable difference. But I definitely think that it helped kind of adjust the stains that were on my teeth from the wine. It wasn't your crest white strips white, but I noticed the difference. So you guys comment below, like this video, share it with someone who might want to know if this worked, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you think that this was a hack or it was whack. When you look at my before and after pictures, let us know what you think. So this is me brushing my teeth after I got done with the whitening treatment. So this is just a full picture of how the process is done. Feel free to try it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. And here is my after picture. I think it did an okay job.